What's up guys, this is Sergio here with Ssixtosjr. Welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make $100 a day affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. I'm going to be taking you with the exact place that I started, how to find products, how to sort the products to show you which ones are actually doing well, which ones will actually sell, and in the end I will show you where you can actually go and promote these products as a complete beginner. Even if you have no money. If you have no money whatsoever, this is the free way to do it. Now, of course, results may vary. Doing a free way, you don't have the tools that you need to do the affiliate marketing correctly. If you guys don't know, I usually recommend a funnel software and an email software. I've explained it more in a previous video of why you actually need that. It's to build an email list and to have a long, sustainable online business, as I said, for the long term. But today I'm going to be going over how you can actually make $100 a day as a beginner with no money. So stay with me to the end. In the end, I will actually show you the place you can go to learn even more in depth about how to do this affiliate marketing correctly, so you can actually build the online business yourself for the long term, as well as give you the option to work with me one-on-one. So I will give you a one-on-one mentorship, one-on-one coaching, but just stick with me to the end. But for now, let me get myself out of the way. Here we go. So I started here on Clickbank. Maybe you have heard of Clickbank. Clickbank pretty much has a bunch of businesses who put their products where affiliates can find them and to promote them. Now, there are other websites such as JVZoo and Warrior Plus, but I'm going to stick with Clickbank for now because that is where I started. Actually, let me go back a page here. So if you don't have one, you can actually sign up right here. It's very, very simple. It's very self-explanatory, and I don't think I have to go through that, but I'm just gonna log in. Here we go. This is the exact place that I started when I was a beginner. I had no idea what affiliate marketing was. I just knew that people were making money off of it. But I think I went too fast for you guys there. So when I'm here, when I'm already in my Clickbank, I'm going to scroll down to this little house. This is the marketplace. This is where you're going to find products. As you can see, there are a bunch of different categories or niches or niches, however you pronounce it. I know a lot of people say it differently. What it is when you're doing affiliate marketing, when you're starting out, it's always best to start with one niche, whatever. But it's always best to start off with one, because if you scramble all over the place, I mean, results are going to be very, very, very hard to get. So it's always great to start with one. In this case, some of the top ones, of course, are like make money online with business, health and fitness. Another one could be parenting, family, so relationships. Those are some of the top categories in affiliate marketing all over the world. But for this one, I'm just going to stick with health and fitness because, I mean, who doesn't want to stay healthy and fit, right? They want to be able to stay healthy for their kids, for the long term. So a lot of people are searching for ways how to lose weight, how to stay in shape. They're looking for workouts, whatever it may be. This one, these right here on Clickbank, I like these because with affiliate marketing, it's very, very hands-off. All you're doing is promoting the product. You're creating content for it, as I mentioned before. Here, you're going to sort these by gravity. The reason you sort it by gravity is because it shows you which products are selling. As you can see, this has a gravity of 438. Anything over 30 is really good, but this one has a really high gravity. It's showing that it's selling really well. So the average conversion, the average customer who buys this product pays $145.82. That's a pretty good amount that they have to pay. But it looks like this is a flat belly tonic. This one's a detox, dental drops. Okay. This one's a custom keto smoothie diet. So there's so many. But as you can see, the gravities range. The top ones will show you the higher gravity. These will show you low. But I'm just going to stick with this top one. So I'm going to click this just to see what it looks like. this is the page people will land on. They're gonna, whoever you promote this to, wherever you promote it, this is what's gonna look like. It looks like they're bottles that people will buy. First, they'll watch this video, they'll buy the bottles. When they buy the bottles, of course, you make commissions. It even has testimonials, so that's very, very good. It has a little bit of descriptions here and there, so that's actually a really good thing to do, to see how long it takes for them to receive, if it's a single or one-time payment. So this is actually pretty cool. It sounds pretty cool. Let's see. Some of them will even give you an affiliate page, as you can see here. The good thing too is that they have support. They have a support email that you can contact them at. But this is an affiliate page. This is for you. You can actually read more about it to get more information. And the cool thing is, whoever buys this product, if you recommend it, you make 75% of that. But you just keep scrolling through. A lot of the times these companies will give you the email swipes. There you go. They'll even give you email swipes. So if you already have an email list built up, you can actually click here and they'll give you the emails to send to your leads or whoever you have right there on your email list. They give them to you. You don't have to create them. A lot of the times affiliate companies will give you the resources. And I'm going to be showing you again how to do this without running ads. We're not going to be running ads. This is going to be doing it for free. Let's say you have no money whatsoever. Again, the results may vary, but you just need to hustle. You need to put in the work. It's not guaranteed that you'll make $100 a day, but it's totally possible. Now, let's go back over here. Let's say I want to promote it, okay? I want to promote this product. The average person will pay $145.82. I want to promote it. Look how much you're going to earn. 75%. So calculator, let's just round it out over here to 146. So 146 minus 75%, you would make about $110 if somebody, on the average, if somebody were to buy this product, if you were promoting it. So $110 doesn't sound too bad. I already have my account nickname. All you're going to do is generate the hop link. This is your affiliate link right here. This is your affiliate link. That is very, very important. So I'm going to put that right there so I can save it for later. I'm going to show you what to do with that soon. But that's your affiliate link. If you want me to show you exactly how it looks, this is what it looks like. I'm copying and pasting it there, and it looks just like that other page, except this time it has your affiliate account name in the website bar. You can't really see it. I actually have it cut off, but it'll be tied to you. It'll be yours. Whoever clicks on it, whatever, makes a purchase, you make commissions. Another cool thing, this is called recurring rebill. To maintain a high sustainable business online, one of the key things to find are recurring rebill products. That means if somebody's going to pay about $110 on the first purchase, if they keep this product for another month, you will actually get paid additional. So recurring, you don't have to do anything else. You already promoted it one time to them. They bought it. If they keep it another month, you get paid again without doing anything else. That is the beauty of affiliate marketing. That is the beauty of the recurring rebill. This right here is everything. If you could find a product where you can make a big commission plus recurring, I mean, that's gold. That's hitting gold right there. And you'll see, of course, there's other different products, but we're just sticking to the Okinawa. These skills will transfer over to any product you're promoting. They can go to, if you're going to go to Amazon, whatever it may be. These are some key things to look for. But I'm going to go back to the affiliate page because I want to see if they have any other images or whatever. So I'm going to go to landing page options. See, it looks like they don't have too much here. See, if anything, what you can do is just simply get that picture right there. You can just take a screenshot of it, depending on what computer you have. With Mac, it'll be Command-Shift-4, but you get the idea. Now, you have your affiliate link. What are you going to do? All right, I'm going to take you to TikTok. See if I can cut off the sound. Okay, no sound. All right, perfect. This is TikTok, of course. Let me scroll that down a little bit here so you can see. I'm going to show you some pages. Weight loss. I'm just going to look up weight loss on TikTok. I'm going to look up accounts. Weight loss strips. Look at her. She has 122,000 followers. Weight loss Beth, 361. I'm just going to check hers out. Weight loss Beth. She's lost 80 pounds. Advice, recipes, and positivity. She even puts her Instagram there. But look what she has here. She has a link tree. This is a link on her account. If I click it, it's telling me I'm leaving TikTok. I'm going to open it. Look what she has. She has a bunch of different products that she's promoting. This is what you can do for free. So this affiliate link that you had right here, you can actually copy that. We're going to go to URL shortener. I'm going to go to URL shortener. Just because I don't like to see all the messiness. You see all these letters and stuff. People are going to see that and be like, okay, what is that? I'm just going to shorten it. Now it looks a lot shorter. It looks cleaner. I'm going to copy. So from here, you can go on TikTok and create an account about weight loss. It doesn't even have to include your face. Keto, you can even look up keto diet. You can actually model what these other people's pages look like. 𝗙𝗢𝗢𝗪. I mean, they don't have as many followers, but you can see it's all about it. It's all about keto. It's all about that same area. Let's see. This one has 52.9 thousand followers. It's not even videos of her. It's videos of different people. It's in Spanish. ¿Quieres empezar el keto ya mismo? So click al enlace. Click on the link. You can create a TikTok profile easily, make it a business one, and put your link there. The one that we just copied. You can find different videos. You can put images. You can find images on Canva, wherever it may be. Free images of diets, of people losing weight, and just put those pictures there. Make your link right there. But you have to be posting consistently here. You have to be posting, 3 to 5 times a day, high quality videos. If you can do more, do more. TikTok is very powerful, of course, because you can post one video and it can get thousands of views in a matter of hours. That is one of the most powerful things right now. One of the most powerful platforms. So that would be my recommendation. If you really had no money at all, but you did have social media, you did have the commitment, you did have the drive, I would suggest starting off here. Now, of course, whenever you do make a little bit of money, I suggest reinvesting it into the business, such as getting the software tools that you need. Like I said before, it's best to do a funnel, it's best to do email, but I explained that in a whole different video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I really do. So I'm going to actually leave a link down below where you can work one-on-one with me. It's going to be a webinar that explains basically how to go from A to Z online. There's like no additional training that you need. If you watch that webinar and you decide to sign up, I will be working one-on-one with you for an entire month. So we'll be having some Zoom classes. I'll actually give you the exact tools and resources that I use and give you the strategies that I've done. So I've been able to earn over $60,000 in a matter of 10 months because of affiliate marketing. I quit my job because of it. If you want to work one-on-one with me, I'm going to be leaving that link down below. And if you simply want to just start up on your own online business, just like I showed you right there, but with the strategies, the correct strategies, I'm going to leave a link down below there, and you can get started for as little as $7. As little as $7. So the link will be down below, and stay tuned with me for the next video. If you like this, please drop a like. If you haven't already, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. So I really hope to hear from you. If you like this video, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below that you enjoyed. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.